If you want to know why one of your reels is making money while the other is stuck at zero, you need to check your brand new Compare Post tools. Meta just added this to your professional dashboard and it's a game changer for your strategy. Instead of jumping back and forth between insights, you can now select any two reels and compare them side by side on your screen. It breaks down your qualifying views, your retention rate, and your earnings rate for both videos at the same time. This is how you spot exactly where people are clicking away. Was it the hook? Was it the lighting? Or was it the music? The data is right there now. Stop guessing, start comparing, and let's get to work. Attention to all my UK creators. Meta is currently testing a new auto-curation feature that scans your device's camera roll to find out standout memories and turn them into ready-to-post reels. Now, on the surface, this is a massive time saver. It's AI powered, it builds a collage for you, and it suggests the music. But there's a catch you need to know about. By opting in, you're giving Meta AI full access to your metadata. That means the exact date, exact time, and coordinates of where your photos were taken. Now, this is great for consistent posting, but if you value your privacy, you might want to think twice before hitting that agree button. It's a convenience versus privacy trade-off. Use it if you need the speed, but know exactly what you're handing over. The battle against fake accounts just got easier. Meta has officially expanded the Impersonator Alert flow, and it's now sitting right in your main professional dashboard. In the past, reporting a fake account was a nightmare of forms and links. Now, if the AI detects an account using your name or your face, you'll get a direct notification under your tools to try. With one tap, you can access streamlined reporting. It cross-references your verified data and flags the fake account for a priority takedown. This is the fastest way to keep your audience safe from scammers pretending to be you. Check your dashboard today, see if you have any alerts waiting, and keep your brand locked down. If you are still guessing which captions or which thumbnail is going to make your reel go viral, you're playing the game on hard mode. Meta has officially rolled out native A/B testing tools for all UK creators in professional mode. This allows you to test up to 4 different versions of a reel simultaneously. You can change the captions, the thumbnails, or even the call to action for each version. Facebook then shows these different versions to small separate groups of your audience for about 30 minutes. Once a winner is identified based on watch time and engagement, the AI automatically publishes the winning version to your main feed. The best part, you don't lose any of the data from all of the versions that didn't win. It all counts towards your total reach. This is the fastest way to train the algorithm on what your audience actually likes. Go to your dashboard, hit Create Reel, and look for the A/B testing button. For the final update of this series, we're looking at the biggest structural change Meta has ever made, the Unified Creator Hub. Up until now, you've had to manage your Facebook Reels money and your Instagram Reels money in 2 different places. But starting this week in the UK, Meta is merging them into one single payout and insight dashboard. Now, what does this mean for you? First, it means your payment threshold is now combined. If you made £40 on Facebook and £60 on Instagram, you've hit your 100 instantly instead of waiting for each one to grow separately. But here's the warning. You must ensure your accounts are officially linked in the new account center before the end of the month. Now, if they aren't synchronized, your monetization could be temporarily paused while the systems migrate. Go to your settings, check your account center, and make sure both profiles are showing active for the new unified hub. This is the future of the platform. One hub, one payout and one goal. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and give me a follow. My name's lathonmb and some of my other videos should be popping up around now. So don't forget to give them a watch, and you know what I always say, I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!